The implementation of Governor Gavin Newsom's Care Court has sparked significant interest and debate, particularly regarding its effectiveness in assisting the most vulnerable individuals living on California's streets. Launched in 2023, this initiative aims to provide a legal framework for individuals suffering from severe mental health issues, specifically those experiencing psychosis, to receive necessary treatment. However, as we delve into the data collected from various counties across the state, the results reveal a more complex picture than initially anticipated. For instance, San Diego County had expected to receive 1,000 petitions in its first year, aiming to establish treatment plans for 250 individuals. Instead, they received only 384 petitions and managed to create 134 voluntary agreements. Similarly, Los Angeles County filed 511 petitions, with only 112 leading to care agreements. Despite earlier predictions that 4,500 individuals would be enrolled in the program during its inaugural year. 2. Challenges in filing petitions. One of the unexpected hurdles in the Care Court process has been the difficulty in filing petitions. Initially, it was believed that first responders, such as police officers and firefighters, would readily submit petitions on behalf of the unhoused individuals they encounter daily. However, the reality proved to be different. Many first responders are overwhelmed with their existing duties and find the petition process to be time-consuming and cumbersome. Amber Irvine, the Behavioral Health Program Coordinator for San Diego County, noted that while some petitions were filed at the program's inception, many were dismissed, leading to a reluctance to pursue further filings. Crystal Robbins, who oversees a treatment referral program for San Diego Fire Rescue, echoed this sentiment, stating, "We quickly found out that it wasn't a useful tool for the people that we see." 3. High dismissal rates for petitions. A significant portion of the petitions filed, approximately 45% statewide, have been dismissed. This statistic includes cases where individuals have successfully graduated from the program, but the dismissal rate is even more pronounced in certain counties. For example, in San Francisco, nearly 2/3 of petitions are rejected. The reasons for these dismissals vary. Some individuals may not meet the stringent criteria for Care Court, while others, particularly those experiencing homelessness, can be difficult to locate. Additionally, if an individual refuses services, Care Court lacks the authority to compel compliance. 4. Limited enforcement of participation. One of the key attractions of Care Court was the promise of court-ordered treatment plans designed to encourage individuals to accept help they might otherwise reject. However, many counties have opted to provide treatment only when outreach workers can persuade individuals to participate voluntarily. According to the Judicial Council, only 14 individuals have been ordered into treatment plans by the courts. This raises questions about the program's effectiveness in compelling participation among those who need it most. 5. A broader perspective on the data. While the statistics paint a concerning picture of Care Court's reach, some officials argue that these numbers do not capture the full scope of the program's impact. Michelle Doty Cabrera, the executive director of the California Behavioral Health Directors Association, emphasized that the data reflects only those who engaged with Care Court directly and does not account for individuals who may have received services through other county programs after starting the Care Court process. She stated, "I would say that I think the whole idea of looking at the numbers, it sort of misses the point. Notably, as of December, there were 1,357 instances where individuals were diverted from Care Court to other county services, indicating that the program has raised awareness about available resources." 6. Potential changes on the horizon. Currently, Care Court is limited to individuals diagnosed with schizophrenia and certain psychotic disorders. However, a new bill proposed by Senator Thomas Umberg could expand eligibility to include those experiencing psychotic symptoms due to bipolar disorder. The potential impact of this legislation remains uncertain, as Umberg's office has not provided an estimate of how many additional individuals might benefit from the program. San Diego County officials suggest that the bill could increase participation by anywhere from 3.5% to 48.1%. This prospect raises concerns among professionals like Irvine, who worry that an influx of new participants could stretch resources thin, especially since the bill does not allocate additional funding for hiring more staff. In conclusion, while Care Court was designed to be a beacon of hope for California's most vulnerable populations, the early data suggests that its implementation has faced significant challenges. As we continue to monitor its progress, it's essential to consider not only the numbers, but also the broader implications of this initiative. What do you think? Is Care Court living up to its promise, or is it falling short? We invite you to share your thoughts and engage in this important conversation.